telling you, she's a great candidate. She says she's against big spending, big business, and inflation. She says when she gets into office, there'll be enough money for government, social programs, and the space program.
Hey, sounds great. What's her name?
Alice in Wonderland.
Hey, it's time for your presents.
Presents?
Yeah. Well, I just drew pictures of all of my grown-up friends on Sesame Street, and I'm going to give them to you. I'm going to be an artist when I grow up.
Great.
Oh, look at this. Look at me.
That's you, Louise.
There's Susan.
Yeah, you're always smiling, Susan.
Thanks a lot, Big Bird.
How's that?
That looks
That
good.
looks like you.
That's good.
That's not me. Oh, hey, there I am.
Yeah.
Hey, that's nice.
You like me, Bob? See, I put musical notes because you're singing.
Big Bird. Oh, I know who that is.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Thank you, Big Bird. Thank you.
Hey, wait, whoa.
Oh, what?
That's you, David.
Little young, don't you think?
Whoa!
Whoa.
Smile. I think you're going to like this.
And last but not least, ta-da!
Oh, look at that one. That's nice. So beautiful. That's nice.
That is really nice. Can I see it?
That's
Big Bird?
nice.
Oh, that's really terrific.
Really looks like
Really looks like it.
Yeah, you captured him.
Wow, that's beautiful, Big Bird.
Oh, thank you.
Really nice.
Oh, thank you.
Wonderful.
Well, I can't wait till he sees it. Say, where is he? I want to give it to him. I know. He's in the store.
Big Bird?
Hmm?
He's not in there.
Oh. Then where is he?
Big Bird, don't you remember we told you? Mr. Hooper died. He's dead.
Oh, yeah. I remember. Well, I'll give it to him when he comes back.
Big Bird, Mr. Hooper's not coming back.
Why not?
Big Bird, when people die, they don't come back.
Ever?
No, never.
Why not?
Well, Big Bird, they're dead. They can't come back.
Well, he's gonna come back. Why, who's gonna take care of the store? And who's gonna make my birdseed milkshakes and tell me stories?
Big Bird, I'm going to take care of the store. Mr. Hooper, he left it to me. And I'll make you your milkshakes, and we'll all tell you stories, and we'll make sure you're okay.
Sure, we'll look after you.
Oh. Well, he won't be the same.
You're right, Big Bird. It'll never be the same around here without him. But you know something? We can all be very happy that we had a chance to be with him and to know him and to love him a lot when he was here.
Yeah.
And Big Bird, we still have our memories of him.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, our memories. Right. Why, memories, that's how I drew this picture. From memory.
Good,
Yeah. And we can remember him and remember him and remember him. Much as we want to. But I don't like it. It makes me sad.
We all feel sad, Big Bird.
He's never coming back?
Never?
Oh, I don't understand. You know, everything was just fine. Why does it have to be this way? Give me one good reason.
It has to be this way because.
Just because?
Just because.
You know, I'm gonna miss you, Mr. Looper.
That's Hooper, Big Bird. Hooper.
Right.